Wow, U.S. History Scholars. Can't believe you did it. Well, actually, I can believe you did it. So good job. We are at Unit 7, which means we are at the end of Semester 1. You are halfway through U.S. History. Nice work. So let's go through this because I've modified again a little bit as part of a digital classroom. We're always looking for ways to improve or make our life easier, especially working with our families. So we know the same concept. We would go to our team drive. We open it up, and again, I'm going to use fourth period for example. You will see your family groups. You will see the folder worksheets. Double-click worksheets, and we're going to be Unit 7, so I would open that, called the Gilded Age. You will see this document here, your yellow copy one. Look like this. This is your overview. Then you also see the worksheets. So let's go and look at what the overview looks like this time. So for AP and regular, we're on the same format per se. The only thing that changes is the input. So again, if you would like to click your links there for each one, they are there available for you. For videos, they are also there. So again, I'm going to show it because repetition makes everything. I would simply click on DocuTube, click Show in Sidebar, and again, wait for technology because someone who uses it constantly in myself, I cannot stress it enough. You gotta be easy with technology, even though it may take more than a second. Just relax. Click on Document. We're going to wait for the videos to come up. There we go. And they are there. So again, we can play them at the same time as we're typing, and it is the same thing for both of them. We have videos to watch, so I would do that function to make your life a lot easier, so that way you can play, for example.
What I want to talk about today is what we call the reconstruction.
Wonderful. I just like showing you that to make sure that my video is actually linked there. So we can do that together, and I think it's really powerful in that one. Yes, Malcolm, lovely. My son is going crazy. But we're going to work on our worksheet this time, our digital expression, as I like to call them. So the worksheets are very generic, but this is a chance for us to work together. Welcome to my life. You can hear the stuff in the background. That's a great Friday night. But what's unique about this time is we're going to do all the worksheets on the days on the same document per se, and we're going to work on it in family form. And what I think this is going to allow us to do is we're going to be able to actually cover more, but then come together and share that information, and I think we'll be better off for it. So as you can see, the green is 7-1, blue is 7-2, light purple fuchsia is 7-3, and then we have 7-4 in the dark red, and then we have a red one. So each one of these 7.1, 7.2, so forth, is its own digital worksheet expression within it. You're just going to be working on it at the same time there. So what I would recommend is one of your family members takes each one. You can work on it with each other if you would like to on different ones, but to me it's going to make a lot more sense if one person does one and so forth. And down here, if you have a fifth member, here you go. If you only have 4 members, here's the number 5 for you. But again, what I think this is going to do is it's going to allow us to, one, cover more material, but then we're going to come together and we're going to talk about it to make sure that our family has the understanding of what we're covering. So you are the expert for your knowledge area. I don't expect you to get this done in one day, so don't freak out. That's not the goal of it. The goal of it is for us to work together and get it done. Obviously, we do want to get it done faster than a week, but we need to learn to work together and talk with each other and everything on how it's done. My recommendation would be read the directions for each one because I wrote them very explicitly. And then down below you'll see historical questions. Just make sure you are responding there accurately and correctly to the question prompt. Again, I think that's a way that's going to help us in terms of understanding, especially if you are not the expert in your area or category for the unit. You will be after because you're going to have your family member help you understand it better. So let's give this a shot. I'm a believer this is really going to work. If you have any questions, again, please send me a remind. Have fun, and let's do this, guys. Take care.